How to hide white-black bar at the bottom of iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. On this page, scroll down to the General section and tap on Guided Access. Now, tap the toggle switch to enable the Guided Access feature. You can tap on Passcode settings to set a specific passcode or enable Face ID for exiting a session. Next, open any app you wish to lock, such as the App Store in this example. Then, quickly triple-click the Lock Side button on your iPhone to bring up the Guided Access menu. Tap on Start in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to set a new passcode and verify it. You are now restricted to using only this app. To exit, simply triple-click the side button again and enter the passcode you previously set. Finally, tap End in the top left corner to stop the session and regain full access to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily hide white-black bar at the bottom of an iPhone.